and welcome to this video. This video is all about basically how to upgrade from version 1803 to 1809 that is currently available. You would see from our screen that by clicking the Windows Update, it's not automatically giving you that 1809 update that's currently available. And we will show you the techniques, what you need to do. The first thing is you need to open up a browser. Okay, we don't want to go on the update. We want to basically go to Google and Windows 10.iso. Choose the first one that shows Microsoft.com. Don't click the update now, but use the download tool now. On this, okay. So we've clicked on run, and basically it'll ask for administrator privileges. It'll start up, and then it'll go through a few different stages. Okay, so after that media creation tool has finished, you will have that Windows 10.iso on your desktop. Just double click on it, and then you'll see the setup.exe file. Double click on that. Accept as admin. So you have a couple of options at this time. Download updates or not at present. My suggestion is to choose not at present, as it is a little bit faster and updates can be done at a later time. However, it's up to what you choose. You could send data back to Microsoft if you want. That's up to you. Click next. Now what's happening is the real behind the scenes upgrade process, where it's gonna check. Now we have accept the license terms, choose what to keep. This is very important. You can see it says keep personal files and apps. That's very important. If it does not say that, then basically it's a complete wipe. Okay, so I suggest you be very careful at this point. Once you're happy that you've got the two things, click next. And then it'll go through an automatic process of basically using the data from the Windows 10 ISO file. It will then basically upgrade your computer, and then after a certain amount of time you should get, and here we go. We have now Windows 10 1809. Okay, the latest version for today. As you can see, all applications, etc. are there, even the files that we saved as the ISO, everything's there. So you have a new upgraded version of Windows 10. You will notice that we have opened up and shown you the Windows old. At this point, I suggest you look at our previous video, because basically you have a 10-day limit. If this new version does not work for you, you have 10 days to go back to your previous version. So the link should be posted in the description. and also within the video, okay, on how to extend that go back time period. So, hopefully this video has helped. If it has, please give us a like or post a comment, and we should reply back to you. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Thank you.